How to reset the color tuner on your Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button and go to settings. In settings, go to picture. In picture, go to picture mode settings. Here in picture mode settings, scroll down and find the expert settings and go to this. And now you can see the color tuner. Okay, go to color tuner. And if you want to reset the color tuner settings, okay, here you can go to this reset color tuner settings. You can click this and the pop-up will show. Okay, now restore color tuner settings. The color tuner settings will revert back to the factory default settings. So you'll have to do is press OK to restore the color tuner settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully reset or restore the color tuner settings on your Devant Smart TV.